In this video, you'll learn how to create a project management website using WordPress with the W theme. This tutorial will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you understand how to leverage WordPress's features effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. You can do this by entering WordPress.com into the address bar of your web browser. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Sites at the top of the screen and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can manage your sites. Next, locate and click on the button that says Create with AI. This option will initiate the process of creating a new site using artificial intelligence, streamlining the setup for your project management website. After clicking, wait for the interface to process your request. This may take a few moments. Once the AI interface loads, you will see a message stating laying the foundations. This indicates that the system is preparing to help you create your site. It is essential to be patient during this phase, as the AI may take a little time to generate the necessary groundwork for your website. After the foundations are laid, the AI will prompt you with the message, make a website as unique as you. At this point, you will be encouraged to think about the specific features and design elements you want to incorporate into your project management site. Take a moment to consider this before proceeding. Now, you will be prompted to type in the phrase, create a project management website. Enter this phrase into the provided field and then click on the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will confirm your input and advance you to the next step in the site creation process. Following this, you should see a confirmation message indicating that WordPress.com can create a project management website for you. This message reassures you that the AI has understood your request and is ready to proceed with the setup. Next, you will type in the choice presented above. This step is crucial as it helps the AI understand your specific needs for the project management website. Once you've entered the required information, click on Enter again to confirm your selection. At this stage, a message will prompt you to choose a title for your website, which is the name that will appear in the browser tab. Type in the desired name for your site and press Enter to continue. After entering the site title, you will be asked to provide a short tagline or description that explains what your site offers. This description will appear in search results and social media previews. Enter your tagline and click Enter to save your input. Once you have completed the tagline, you will click on the button labeled Create My Site. This action will finalize the setup process, and you may see a message indicating that your site has been created. Wait for a brief moment as the system processes your request. Following this, you will see a message that states, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that the WordPress system is actively generating your site. It is normal for this to take some time, especially if the system is busy with other requests. While waiting for the site to generate, be aware that this process might take a while depending on the server load and your internet speed. A faster connection will result in a quicker setup, while slower speeds may prolong the wait. Finally, a message will appear indicating that your site is ready. Congratulations on successfully creating your project management website using WordPress and the Woffice theme. You can now begin customizing and developing your site further. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.